I did.
Welcome to Q&A Monday, take 2. Yes, take 2, because we recorded without actually recording.
Yeah.
So John, you're very lucky. Today's question is specifically from John. He's asking for our top 3 decorating tips. All right, so what will you think is number 1?
Well, number 1, I think decorating is very personal. People might love, you might actually love a themed home, coastal or, Hampton style or whatever. But other people actually love each room and each space to tell its own story and to be very unique.
Especially have teenagers.
Yes, exactly. But I would say if that is really what you like, to each room have its own color scheme and own style, to try and find a couple of common things that you can bring into each of the spaces. For example, if you have 3 colors, that would be the predominant colors in 3 different rooms, so like a blue and an orange and a red. If you have a blue room, then bring some orange and red pieces like accessories or, cushions into the blue space. If you have a red room, then same thing. Try and bring some blue and orange, accessories and decor so that it feels like it's one house instead of very disconnected spaces.
And it can be very subtle. So you don't have to walk, it's like, oh, there's something blue in my orange room. Just very subtle bits and pieces here and there.
Yeah.
I like that. So tip number 2, getting back to your colors, is most people ask, but where do I start picking colors? How do I pick a theme? What do I do? So I normally recommend starting with artwork if you have a piece that you really like, or even an ornament or something that's really dear to you. If you traveled and there was something really amazing that you brought back from your travels, start there. Look at the colors in it, look at the texture, and then that way you just draw it throughout the room or throughout your house.
That's really how we style. Most properties is that's our focal point, the artwork, and pull those colours into the rest of the space around it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So, tip number 3.
All right, tip number 3, I would say work in kind of different numbers, odd numbers. So 3, 5, and 7. So group a couple of accessories together in those numbers, which actually provides visual interest. It really helps with symmetry and displaying things throughout your space.
And different heights, vary the heights for a bit of interest, and cushions use different textures, not just one type of texture.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
There you go.
That's good. Hopefully that helped, John.
Enjoy decorating your home.
Yeah. Bye. Thanks for joining our Q&A Mondays. We really hope you've learned something.
I mean, we're super passionate about helping people with any questions that they might have regarding styling for sale or decorating their own homes, themselves, why styling.
So post your questions below or email us at info@homeimprovementtraining.com, and we'll be so happy to answer any questions you have.
That's right. Looking forward to it.
See you soon.
Bye.